How to create a OneDrive account. If you want to use the OneDrive application and wondering on how to create an account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application just like this. After that, you will find something like this. Now to create account, tap onto this blue button right here. Tap on to sign up, select it. Now to create account, simply add a new email address. Then simply create a password. Then tap on to next. Then add your name just like this and tap on to next. Then add your region and country, add your birth date and tap on to next. Now to verify your email, simply add the code that you have got from the Microsoft. And now you can see you have simply created an account. And that's it. This is how you can create a OneDrive account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.